before you do any work on the garage door opener or its chain or the garage door chain tensioner, you want to lock the garage so that the garage door cannot open or close while you're working on it. So if I push this button now, nothing happens. So either cut the power to the garage door opener or just hit this lock button. And if the light disappears, then it is locked. Nothing will happen. I can unlock it by just pushing it again. This video is showing you how to replace the rubber bushing on a Genie garage door chain tensioner. So when this rubber bushing dries out and deteriorates, it'll get crushed by the tension, causing the chain to sag, which won't allow you to open and close the garage cleanly. And when that happens, you can actually just tighten the bolt on the tensioner up to this washer to tighten the chain, but it is recommended that you place the rubber bushing to dampen the vibrations when the garage door opens and closes. And so what you would do is, I used a locking plier here just to lock this pulley in place so that when I loosen the bolt, this pulley doesn't move forward. And so it stays in its place. I didn't use an 11mm ratcheting wrench because, as you can see, there's barely any room for this wrench to turn. And so this was the easiest way to get to that bolt and to get it off. And so once I get that bolt off, I'll slide the rubber bushing between this washer and this bracket. And that's it. And that's an 11mm ratcheting wrench. Okay, this is me installing the rubber bushing. And this is a 0.75 inch long rubber bushing, but I think you could get away with a 1/2 inch long rubber bushing and just tighten the nut a little more onto this washer. So, well, the OEM is 0.75 inch. 1/2 inch should work as long as you tighten it just a little bit more. And again, I use a ratcheting wrench, 11mm, to get this nut back on. Right here. And the locking pliers holds the pulley in place so that it doesn't pull as I loosen this nut. And now I'm going to tighten it. And that's how you put a new rubber bushing on. This is the ratchet wrench set that I was using, the 11mm.